Which YouTube TV works on XLine Pro? If you're referring to using YouTube TV on the XLine Pro device, likely an Android-based smart TV box, you would use the official YouTube TV app. Here's what you need to know about compatibility and setup. 1. Device compatibility. Android-based devices. XLine Pro devices generally run on Android, meaning they should support apps available on the Google Play Store. YouTube TV is compatible with Android devices running version 5.0, Lollipop, or higher. Check for Play Store access. Verify if your XLine Pro box includes access to the Google Play Store, as this will allow you to download the official YouTube TV app. 2. Installing YouTube TV on XLine Pro. Option 1 from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app on your XLine Pro. Search for YouTube TV, select the app and click Install. Launch the app once installed and sign in using your YouTube TV credentials. Option 2. Sideload the APK. If the Play Store isn't available, download the YouTube TV APK from a trusted source, APK Mirror. Transfer the APK file to your XLine Pro using a USB drive or cloud storage. Enable installation from unknown sources in your device settings. Install the APK file and open the app. 3. Features of YouTube TV on XLine Pro. Live TV, access to 100 plus live TV channels, including sports, news, and entertainment. On-demand content, watch popular shows and movies on demand. Unlimited DVR, record live TV shows and access them for up to 9 months. Multi-user support, create up to 6 profiles for personalized recommendations.